Imagine you're a scientist and you discovered a promising cell therapy to help patients with cancer, neurological disorders, or other conditions. You've shown that it works in the lab, but getting it from the lab bench into the clinic poses a whole different challenge. That's where the UCLA Translational Cell Therapy Lab, or TCTL, comes in, where we help bridge the gap between scientific discovery and patient treatment. We help researchers navigate the complexities of making the transition from their lab towards early clinical studies to advance their therapy one step closer to the patient. Think of us as the juncture between homemade cookies that you've made in your kitchen and having a factory take your recipe and manufacture them so it tastes the same. The TCTL optimizes and standardizes the way cell therapy is made so that it's processed in a way that's clean and safe. We ensure the process results in a safe and reproducible product that is well characterized. We are here to support scientists who are ready to advance their discoveries one step closer from bench to bedside.